Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and today we're going to do 2 unboxings of Ipsy. And you know what? I got free bags to give to y'all. So, yay! So, 5 people, if you request, I can send you a free, it's a special invite to Ipsy, and they'll get their first glam bag free. This is a subscription. It will sign you up for Ipsy if you get the free glam bag. But hey, if you don't like it, you can cancel and you never have to pay a thing. So if you want that, just comment below and I can get you a free bag. I'm fixing to tell you all about it, but I just saw that when I was pulling it up, so I thought I'd go ahead and record it so I wouldn't forget. So if you do not know what Ipsy is, it is a monthly makeup and beauty subscription. You can get skincare, hair care, all that good stuff, but they are sample sizes. Keep that in mind. Sometimes you get wee bitty things and sometimes you get full-size products. You never really know, but these bags are a little small. They always send you an Ipsy bag, but you know, there are several different tiers of Ipsy you can get. Now, the one I get, you get 5 products for $13 a month. You get to pick one of the 5 products, or you can get the middle tier, which is Glam Bag Plus, where you get 5 full-size products. You pay $28. You get to pick 3 of your 5 products, or you can get Glam Bag X. Now, this is kind of like an add-on subscription where you can replace one of the other 2 every, 4 times a year. So in that one, you get 7 to 8 products. They're going to be curated by a celebrity. So pretty much what's going to happen is the celebrity's going to go in, they're going to pick their favorites, and they're going to send those to you. And it does tell you a little bit about the celebrity, why they like it, things like that. It's kind of fun. I really have enjoyed that subscription. Like I said, it's every 3 months, so 4 times a year. It's normally worth over $350 and it only costs you $55 a month. And you do get to pick 3 of the 7 or 8 products on that one. If you do want to try Ipsy, I do have a referral link down below. I really appreciate it. If you do use my link, it does help me out a little bit. So thank you so very much. Let's open these boxes. Well, bags really. So here are my bags. So what I did was I have a few different emails. Y'all, I think I've got 3. I've got one for the business page, my regular one that everything under the sun comes to, and then another Gmail. I don't even know why I have 2 Gmail. I think I opened it when I got my iPhone. Who knows? I don't even know. But I got one on my Gmail and one on my Comcast. So they're slightly different every time. I love getting 2 of them. Probably going to stop doing that here soon simply because I'm trying to, tighten my belt money-wise. It's not working so well. But hey, I can tell the husband I'm trying, right? I know. So, oh, look, the bag has a tassel this month. This is April 2022. Look how cute. Oh, the theme is keep growing. How adorable. Oh, yes. Yes, look at the little. Okay. The first thing that goes through my mind, I'm a graduating the Ipsy High, right? I'm a child. I know it. I embrace it. Spring is here, and just like you, the earth is coming alive. Take this month to plant big ideas, nourish your skin, and live a little greener because it's your season to bloom. Very cool. 3 ways to upcycle your glam bags. Tidy your tech, so you can put your cords, USBs, your batteries, things like that. Mini emergency prep, so like a first aid bag where you put bandages, Neosporin, medication, things like that. Or pay it forward. Donate it with unused grooming basics to homeless shelters, self-care, essential women's, places like that. Apparently, they ain't going to tell me anything about the products in there. That's why I pulled them up on my laptop. Because sometimes they do that. I don't know why. Oh, look. Glam Bag X. It's saying who's going to be curating it. It's Madalena Petchy. Okay. It's one of them girls on Riverdale. With Archie and all that. Coming to Ipsy. So brands like Tarte, Sunday Riley, by Beauty in iconic London. Yeah, I don't know who she is. I know it told me she was on Riverdale. I know me and my husband, we watched the show, but it's kind of weird. It's a very dark version of the Archie comic strips. Very dark version. Okay, so she's the girl who plays, oh shoot, what's her name? Blossom, Cheryl Blossom, the redheaded lady. Very cute girl. That's who's curating next month. So yay, woohoo. She's pretty. Let's look in here and see. Okay, so there's no more paperwork, so yeah, I'm just gonna be flying blind, like most always. Look at the inside. How cute. This is just adorable. Adorable, adorable. This is Benton Deep Green Tea Toner. It's a lightweight and hydrating toner enriched with green tea from Baekseong, which is the most famous tea producing area in Korea. The toner replenishes, moisturizes, soothes, and refreshes while leaving skin healthy and clean. Is dermatologist tested. Alright, nice toner. This is a deluxe size sample, and a full size of this is $16. I just had to do some clicking and find out. I see some GLOWRECIPE. I love GLOWRECIPE. This is the Niacinamide dewdrops. If you watch anything, you'll probably know what this is. The Watermelon Glow Niacinamide dewdrops. If you get the full size product, it looks a little something like this. I do like it. Am I in absolute love with it? Do I think it was worth all the hype? I'm not sure. It does give you a nice lit from within glow. And by the way, this is supposed to be a deluxe size sample. And considering you only use 2 pumps at a time, I mean, it might last a little while. I do absolutely adore the smell of this stuff. See? Glow. Oh, I love it. Love the smell of it. But you can see the difference. You can see the difference in the glow right there. At GLOWRECIPE full size, that's $34, by the way. Oh, so lovely. I do love something glowing. DIONIS Goat Milk Skincare Goat Milk Body Lotion. This is white jasmine and Shea. Will soothe and repair dry skin, hydrates and moisturizes. Deluxe sample. Ooh, use promotion code IPSYGOAT15 to receive 15% off this DIONIS, DIONIS. So yeah, if you want to get this stuff, you can get 15% off on their actual website. Oh, look at the goats. Y'all, I love goats. Daniel has promised me that one day we will own goats. I'm waiting the day. It's been a few years, but I will own a goat. I love goats. I was raised with goats, fainting kind. Oh my goodness. Let me click out of this. A full-size product of this is $15. It is sealed, y'all. I'm going to leave it sealed because I have so many open. I don't like them to go bad. I mean, this one does last 24 months. So 2 years, but still, I'm gonna just leave it sealed for now. Jasmine and Shea. Ooh. All right, let me go to this. This is, which way's up? Okay, do you see why I was saying which way's up? I hope y'all can see that. The Cosmetic with a backwards K. This is a lightweight powder blush in Magnolia. Ooh. Deluxe sample. Nothing wakes up your complexion like a flushed cheek. And this blush does just that. The brightening pink pigments are triple milled, which means they go on super smooth and feel ultra soft on your skin too. Okay. Full size on this is $30. Canadian dollars. That's what CAD means, right? Canadian? I know. I should know these things. Ooh, okay. Yes. Okay. It is really finely milled. The powder blush, I'll try it. We will use it. Very cool. Last is a lipstick. This is Lucky Chick in Paradise. I love lipsticks. Y'all know this about me. Lucky Chick Semi-Matte Lipstick in Paradise. It's a $25 value. I think this is a full-sized. Yes, it's a full-size product. Ooh, look at that. All right. Went on pretty smooth. Let me smell it. I can't smell anything. Interesting. What do we think? I think it'll be good. Made with moisturizing botanicals like rosehip seed oil. Is it jojoba or jojoba? How do you pronounce that correctly? And coffee extract. This semi-matte lipstick nourishes lips while coating them in long-lasting rosy nude color. Very cool. Okay, on to the next. This one doesn't have any product listing on either. Same cute little bag, which means I'll probably put one in a giveaway. All right, so I got more glow drops. I got another one of the blushes. I did get another one of the goat's milk. It's identical. I got the green tea toner and the exact same color lipstick. So pretty much this entire thing I can put in a giveaway because it's all duplicates for me. Is that not fun? Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna open the goat's milk one because, you know, I just gotta smell it. And knowing that I have another one for a giveaway, it's just too tempting for me. Ooh. Oh. Y'all, at first it's like a very beautiful floral smell. I mean, almost a little strong. Then it kind of dies down. And you get more of the Shea. With just a hint of the Jasmine. It's very cool. I actually really like it. Does leave me, I'm still a little greasy, but not bad. That's crazy. I'm glad I opened that in front of y'all so y'all could, you know, experience me sniff testing it. What did y'all think? I would ask you which Ipsy bag you like better, but they were identical. So fun. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So much fun. Yes, I'm very excited. You know, I already have the glow drops, or else I would have been like giddy to have them because I was giddy when I got this. I wanted to try it so bad. I mean, come on, you can still see. It does put shine on there. I normally will put it like, I'll mix it in with my foundation or something, or I'll use it as a primer. It just depends on how many layers I have on at that particular point in time, but I love GLOWRECIPE. These other brands, I'd never heard of any of them, but I am super excited to try them out. So comment below, tell me what you think. What was your favorite item? What would you be curious to try? I want to hear it all. Let me know below. While you're down there, I'd love it if you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Subscribing to my channel is free. It doesn't cost you a penny, but it helps me out in ways you just have no idea. I appreciate it so very much. Please share with your friends. Press the share button. Put it on your social media so everybody can come and find the channel and be part of the fun. And don't forget that notification bell. keeps you up to date on what's going on the channel. Thanks so much for spending time with me, y'all. Have a wonderful day and God bless.